Live and local with coverage you can count on. This is WNEM TV5 News at 11.
Something that he'll remember for the rest of his life.
A big surprise begins a very special night for a local boy battling a serious infection. Brady Gullidge has been at the U of M hospital for months, but tonight he got an experience no young kid should miss.
Brady's middle school dance is just days away, and since he can't attend, some friends brought the dance to him, and it was all a surprise. TV5's Andrew Keller was there for the special night. It is a story you will only see on TV5.
For an 8th grader, this is not your normal attire. And neither is this setting. But nothing in the last 3 months has been normal for 14-year-old Brady Gullidge.
Our colleagues were just phenomenal in identifying how sick he was becoming.
In February, he was rushed to Mott Children's Hospital in Ann Arbor with a H1N1 flu and a MRSA infection. The infections severely damaged his lungs and left him fighting for his life. Tonight, he got to forget about that fight for a little while. His 8th grade formal at Millington Middle School is next week.
They should be here any minute.
And his doctors had no plans of letting him go. So his friends decided to bring a slice of teenage life to him.
He was going to be really upset that he couldn't go.
Tonight, the 8th grade formal happened right here on the 10th floor of Mott Children's Hospital.
People say we're twins, so if he looks good, I automatically have to look good.
A special night for Brady and all of his very special friends.
I met Brady the first day of 1st grade, and we've been like brothers since, so it's really special day. Right, Brady?
It's a big deal. They've been talking about it all year, and he was pretty upset because he wasn't going to be able to go.
And they danced the night away.
When you look around and see all your classmates here, does it give you one of that feeling that a lot of people care about you?
For a 14-year-old whose life was flipped upside down for one night, a middle school dance helped make everything right.
He's smiling. He's joking. He's doing all of it.
He hasn't done that since he's been here.
Just a fantastic story. Now, the Wish Upon a Teen Foundation in Bloomfield Hills made the hospital room look snazzy.